Welcome to our deep dive into Bollinger Innovations Inc., ticker BINI, an electric vehicle company aiming to make waves in the EV market. Can its stock hit $1,000? What are its strengths, weaknesses, and how does it stack up against competitors? Let's break it down in this 6-minute analysis. Bollinger Innovations, based in California, manufactures passenger and commercial electric vehicles. Founded in 2010, it operates in two segments, Bollinger and Mullen Elms. But with a market cap of just $2.73 million and a stock price of 6 cents, it's a small player in a competitive field. So, what's the potential? Let's talk numbers. In 2024, BINI reported $1.09 million in revenue, up from $366,000 in 2023. But its gross profit was negative $15.8 million due to high costs. The operating margin? A staggering negative 2,595%. Losses have slightly improved, from $972 million in 2023 to $457 million in 2024, but profitability is still a distant goal. Compared to competitors like Tesla, with gross margins around 17 to 20%, BINI's margins are deep in the red, signaling operational challenges. BINI's debt stands at $19.94 million, with $10.32 million in cash, giving a net debt of $9.62 million. Operating cash flow is negative at $185 million, meaning it can't cover debts with current operations. However, in 2025, BINI eliminated $25.3 million in convertible notes, strengthening its balance sheet. Side revenues? There's little data on non-core income, but commercial vehicles could diversify revenue if scaled. Since its IPO in 2010, BINI's stock performance has been rough, with an EPS of negative $11,231. Investors have likely faced significant losses. Dividends? BINI doesn't pay any, so it's not a dividend aristocrat, and won't be anytime soon until it turns profitable. Looking to 2030, 2040, and 2050, BINI could invest in new EV models or battery tech, riding the global EV boom. Political support for green policies could help, but fierce competition from Tesla, Rivian, and Chinese manufacturers like BYD poses risks. Economic slowdowns or stricter regulations could hurt too. Without major financial improvements, long-term growth is speculative. Compared to peers, BINI lags far behind. Tesla and Rivian have stronger financials and market presence. Against indices like the Nasdaq, up 0.33% daily, or the S&P 500, up 0.02%, BINI's volatile low-price stock is a high-risk bet. Global indices like MSCI World offer more stability for investors. So, can BINI reach $1,000? Short-term, it's highly unlikely due to massive losses and low revenue. Long-term, it's a speculative play needing major turnarounds. For now, it's a high-risk stock in a promising but competitive industry. What do you think about BINI's future? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to like and subscribe.